Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rainbow silhouette on CapCut PC. So first you are going to select a video or a photo. Just going to select this video. Also going to copy and paste that. And on the second one, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you're going to want to go to effects and select the edge glow. You're going to apply that behind the person. You can adjust the glow as well. Then you're going to type in the word color and you're going to find color edge. Hopefully they have it here. Okay, no. So just go to the star one and I'm trying to find the color edge there. And you're going to place it underneath the person because if you put it on top, it's going to place it to all of her facial features as well, and you don't want that. You can adjust the filters here and the strength as well. You cannot adjust the size, unfortunately. But I guess you can scale her down just a little bit so you can see the edge glow a little bit more, but you can see, like, as you can see here. So I will just put her back to the normal size that it was. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. If you want, you can like make your background a little bit darker, I guess, here, so that it shows just a little bit more. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!